Next up, we're going to look at the A major chord. So let's start again with a very basic open shape. What happens if I remove that third finger here on the B string? I'm going to get a nice Asus2 chord. And what happens if I just move that third finger up a fret again on the B string? So from the second to the third, I'm getting an Asus4. Both these chords are just very nice to just be used as a transition, because this note, as you notice, is just similar to the E. You know, we're just moving very closely between notes and creating this different voicing for the A. So I can go up and down as I please with hammers, if you like. Even a slide, right? And a pull off makes it more discreet, if you like, without picking. But again, you can just use it for full on strumming. So like. As you see, most of the work happens with the third finger. Sometimes you might find it more comfortable to use the pinky, just to go up. Some people do. I prefer the third finger. It's got better control, but again, it's up to you. And of course, the Asus2. A lot easier, right? You're just removing a finger. So these are a few things you can do with the A major, just 3 shapes for you. The normal A major, Asus2, Asus4. And you can just change those as you like within the environment of an A major chord. 9 times out of 10, you're going to be okay using those shapes in any A major environment. All right, let's move on and apply this to a chord progression. We're going to check this out in the next video.